Good morning, traders. So EU is actually moving how we have expected. So we had that liquidity grab above the supply. Like I said, after that liquidation, we could potentially see that move to the downside into this lower demand as well. However, what you could see is we're actually having this compression movement. And what we have right above that is this supply over here. So what I could potentially see happening is that we go for another liquidity grab, tap into here, and then have that move down. But we can look for valid shorts already since we have this minor break. And we could see that price has been respecting supply. We actually had liquidation and then another minor break, and then we have another supply where price is currently within, so we could get that push down now. So basically we have the supply chain being respected. This candle was formed by news, so what I'd like to see today is another strong candle or a push downwards to really show that bearish momentum, because this compression isn't really convincing me that there's a lot of bearish momentum, or not bearish but just to push price down further into this demand. But yeah, on the 15-minute, I was looking for an entry yesterday, but obviously with the news, price just kind of went without us. And then we could see that, of course, we are in this new supply zone. So let me add that in for our... So we've tapped into that. Then we wait for the minor break, so this over here doesn't count, it's just some wicks. We want to see a candle close below, and then liquidation of supply. You see there was no supply left in this move, so that's why I say it's currently lacking momentum. And since we have this gap over here, you can see price is actually reacting to this area right now and could just go up higher to clear the liquidity here and then give that move down. But yeah, so I'll be keeping an eye on that. Over on GU has been extremely bearish. I did try take a trade from here on Monday or Tuesday, I think. You can see it was a really nice initial rejection from this demand, closing with that bullish candle close. And then on the 15-minute or the 5-minute, I was looking at, had the minor break and then an entry, but pretty much ended up hitting stop loss right here, which is fine. But what we're looking at now is, for now, probably the bearish continuation. You could see a pullback into this supply again. We obviously have more fresh supply, but ultimately we are creating a new range over here, so we could wait for some confirmation that we're going to have retracement into this supply up here. Yeah, for me at the moment, EU and GU is a bit of a waiting game until we have some more momentum giving us stronger direction to trade with. So that's what I'll be waiting for.